This is the new 2025 Aston Martin Vantage with 656 horsepower. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where it was a matter of time before the new Aston Martin Vantage spawned a Roadster version, and it is here. Just like the coupe, the Vantage Roadster combines the British brand's iconically beautiful styling with some serious grunt. Not only does it offer more performance than the old model, but it has almost the same amount of power as the DB12 Volante. Now, as with this coupe sibling, the Aston Martin Vantage Roadster, well, that is the Marquis's latest and greatest with the 4-liter twin turbocharged V8. Now, this engine is good for 656 horses and 590 pound-feet of torque, 800 newton meters. Now, huge gains of 153 horsepower and 85 pound-feet, 115 newton meters over the previous gen model. Now, these gains have been achieved with larger turbochargers, revised camshaft profiles, and optimizations to the compression ratio. Mounted to the beefy V8 is an 8-speed transmission with an electronically controlled limited slip differential transmitting power to the rear wheels. Aston says that the car can hit 60 miles per hour, 96 kilometers in just 3.5 seconds, and tops out at 202 miles per hour, 325 kilometers. Now, the convertibles typically weigh more than the hardtops they're based on, and it's no different here. However, Aston Martin has kept the weight gain to a minimum, only adding 132 pounds, 60 kilograms, which will be undetectable by most drivers. Now, the car has a 49-51 front to rear weight distribution, double wishbone suspension at the front, and a multi-link setup at the rear. Aston Martin also equipped it with Bilstein DTX adaptive dampers. Now, all new Vantage Roadsters will leave the factory equipped with a model-specific Michelin Pilot Sport 5S tire and huge carbon ceramic brakes. There are also 8 different settings for the traction control, allowing owners to tailor their driving experience to different conditions. Plenty of engineering has gone into the folding roof, where it has a Z folding action and can be opened and closed up to speeds of 31 miles per hour, 50 kilometers, and takes just 6.8 seconds. Now, according to Aston Martin, this makes it the fastest fully automatic deployable roof mechanism on the market. The roof can also be opened or closed remotely using the key. Now, all Vantage Roadster models come standard with an 11-speaker audio system, and an optional one developed alongside Bowers & Wilkins is also available. But let's be honest, you're going to want to listen to that V8 music. Now, customers will have deliveries penciled in by the second quarter of this year, where Aston Martin has yet to release pricing. But so far, what do you guys think about the new Vantage Roadster? Drop those comments down below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. But make sure you guys check the links in the description if you want to help further support the channel, and subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.